Okay, now I just got my LED bag. Okay, now let's try open it. Okay, here you go. This is the bag. Okay, let's. It's very nice bag. Okay. Now let's take a look inside the bag. Okay, we got a clue here, and there's a cable to the power bank there. Okay, maybe we just need to plug the cable to the. Okay, here you go. We got a bag. Oh, looks so bright. Okay, let me cover it a bit. Okay, this amusing LED bag. Okay, now let's take a look. Oh, there's a Chinese version. Okay, the manual in Chinese and also English. Wi-Fi advertising fast backpack app operation process. Now download the LED source app, connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, now I will use my phone to okay, maybe not, because I cannot find it. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. I got my banner. Okay, I will try this. Oh, it's not, it's too long, and it's too bright. Okay, now then I must go to the Play Store. Play Store and type LED space. Okay, got it. LED space app. There you go. Okay, I already installed the LED space. Now plug the back to the power supply on the phone Wi-Fi. Okay, now I'm open it. I'm turn on the phone Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi. Okay, now choose yes plus device. Okay, there you go. Yes plus device. Okay, now okay, I will try to forget it because I already insert. Okay, now over there, as you can see, the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now connect. Oh, forget. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Connect. Checking. Okay, there you go. We already connect. Now we go to the LED space. Okay. Okay, we already connect the LED with the back. As you can see, the back, now the LED. Okay, now that's the clue. Send advertising. Click plus and create new program. Okay. We better go to the program list. Okay, I want to delete all this one. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, now we add new one. We click the plus. We click the plus. We want to make, if we want to send message. Hi, everyone. Okay. Okay, there's another parameter. You can see there's animation. Okay, now just move up. Okay, now let's send. Okay, let's see. See? Okay, now let's close it. Okay, we already got one. Then we can add another. Maybe if we choose image over here, we must search our image. Okay, what we got here? Haha, maybe I will put my phone. Yeah, okay, I'll click done. Okay, if I put it, if I click send, then my LED back will start showing. Okay, this is just high first, but the second one, see, that's my phone. Yeah, that's great. This is great back. Okay, and the other. Okay, how about if we want to reset it? Reset this one, or we don't want. Okay. Before, we can change the contrast in the my LED. You know, clear program, LED light. I want to reduce it. See, so bright. Reduce it. No, not so bright. See? Okay, confirm. Setup will succeed. This is not so bright. Okay, now we can change the password of Wi-Fi, rename, and also clear all the program. Okay, let's check if I click clear off the program, what will happen with my LED back. Okay, the back is start from the basic program. I'm using LED. That's it. We just need to use the power bank here. Normal power bank or just casual power bank. And the other, you can read over here. The other clue. Okay, this is the how to use the LED backpack and set the LED backpack. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.